sorry for the slight delay. And if you can take your seats, then we'll get started in about 2 minutes. Okay. Good morning, and thank you everybody for coming here to the third edition of the India Running Summit. You Too Can Run is in the business of promoting running for good health. We want to promote running, and we want to do that for the good health of the nation, because we feel that the public statistics of diabetes or heart disease are very dismal in our country, and running is a very easily accessible sport through which everybody can get back to their good health, lose weight, look sharper, appear smarter, all the good things that come from running, which all of us know. So that's our business. Our business is to promote running for good health. We are a social entrepreneurship, which means that we do make money, we do charge money, but if we make a whole lot of money, it doesn't mean that I'll go and buy a BMW. It means that I'll put it back into the business of running, because otherwise I'm well provided for in my life. So that's basically what we are, and that's what we do. We do a whole bunch of things. Most runners know us because of our registration platform. We are the biggest registration platform in the country. We have registered about 120,000 runners in the 2 years that we have been in the business, about 120 events. So we are one of the largest platforms. And we are about 50% of the market size. But besides this, we do things like this summit. We conduct numerous workshops and, sorry, just 1 minute. We conduct numerous workshops. We have a medical profiler, we have a pace calculator, we publish our own books, we turned our own publishers, so we do a whole lot of stuff. And there is a goodie bag, and you've got stuff in the goodie bag that tells you, all the things that we do. And if you have any questions, you are always free to, meet me and, ask me more questions. So we start with the inauguration, and I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. Mark Hollinshead, to come and take a seat on the dais. We are very happy to have Mark with us. He is the CEO of the second biggest running company in the world, and definitely the biggest in UK and Europe. The company is called the Great Run Company. And for those who don't know, the Great Run, as the original event is a half marathon that's about 58,000 strong. It is the largest half marathon in the world. The New York Marathon is the biggest full marathon. The Great Run is the largest half marathon in the world. So compared to that, the ACMM is about 14,000. So, you can get a sense of the scale of how things are. And Mark is the CEO, and we're very happy that a very nascent and fledgling organization like You Too Can Run is very privileged to have the CEO of such a large company come and deliver the keynote address in the third edition of the India Running Summit. Thank you, Mark, for coming to India and taking the time out to be here. Thank you very much. I would also like to invite Michelle. For those who don't know Michelle yet, okay, Michelle is a 3-time Limca Book record holder. And, okay, let me put it this way. She holds the record for holding the maximum number of Limca Book of Records as a runner. She's the first Indian, and mark my words, not the first Indian woman, first Indian to run the Marathon des Sables across the Sahara, the first Indian to do the 4-desert challenge, the 4 deserts of the Sahara, the Gobi, the Atacama, and the Chile, the Antarctica, the 4 deserts of that. And lastly, when she got tired of running deserts, she got on a treadmill in Pune Club one nice Sunday, and she ran for 25 hours and clocked 171.2 kilometers. So she holds 3 of those records, all are verified and stuff like that. And then for 2-3 years, she took a break. She had a very long recovery period after those runs. And then again, it got back into her, and she decided to run the Golden Quadrilateral. So the Golden Quadrilateral is an event that You Too Can Run is kind of hosting and organizing. And we're very happy that Procam is supporting us, so they are kind of partnered with us to support Michelle. And we are again happy that a fledgling organization that you two can run has got Procam as its key partner across various initiatives. And Michelle started running from Bombay and she went towards Delhi. She started running on October 21st. She reached Delhi on November 26th and she ran the Delhi half marathon Procam. Then she started from Delhi and she's now somewhere near Bihar, just about entering West Bengal. She decided to take a 3-day break and be with us for the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon as Procam's guest. And we're very happy that Michelle, you got a break. So for those of you, are really considering that you all, ran 36 kilometers in your last long run and then you are tapering for 2 weeks and concerned about tomorrow, she's doing about 35 kilometers every single day. Okay, so your peak run is a daily run. So that's Michelle. Thank you, Michelle, for coming here. Thank you. So with these few words, I would request Michelle to light the lamp and inaugurate the summit.